Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GSP with Mahesh. Before we proceed further, I just wanted to make a small note. I feel the concept which we are going to discuss today is going to be one of the best concept in BigQuery. So I guess I'm super excited. Same would be you once you finish the end of the video particularly. So let's look into the content today. The content is the question is basically what is the best file format? Avro, Parquet, ORC. Um, which needs to be the file format if you need to load the data into BigQuery and assuming this is going to be an external table, meaning the data is not going to be copied into BigQuery's native storage format. It is going to be there as an external source. What should be the best file format is the question. So if you know the answer, please put it in the comment section and also a possible justification to it. I will give my possible justification by doing a small demonstration, and I feel yes, by doing the demonstration the justification is going to be there. So before I show the demonstration, a quick shout out. I'm starting my batch 8, so I have pushed it to 22nd of January because of the logistic reasons and the festival coming into picture. So if you are interested, please drop me an email at learnjspwithmahesh@gmail.com. So now coming back to our demonstration, I'm super excited to show this demonstration. Let's get started. All right, we are in our GCP console. I don't have any tables. I have just a data set and I have basically two formats, file formats, Avro and Parquet. Both are in a Google Cloud Storage bucket. What I'm going to do basically is I'm going to run a command which is going to basically load these two file formats as external tables into BigQuery. So the first one is already loaded. So in Avro format, the second one in Parquet format. So let's hit done. Now if I basically go, I can just close this. Now just make a note of the size of the files, folks, which could be helpful for our demonstration purpose. Now let me refresh the screen, and once I refresh it, I should be able to see two tables. Both the tables are XML table. Now to be very frank, the content is the same. So 1000 rows, same data, everything is same. So I can just quickly show you that. If I just open, open. So this is Parquet external. So some registration ID, first name, last name. Similarly, in your Avro also, it is the same thing. So that's what you see. Now, I wanted to show you which is going to be the best one for querying. Because it's external table, you don't have the preview. Now, let's go and do a query of first name and last name from our Avro file format, external table. So let me run the query. It's only two columns, folks, nothing else. Now, if you see, I have queried two columns. I get basically, it has scanned basically 91.4 kilobytes of data. Now, where is this 91.4 kilobytes of data coming? It is nothing but our Avro file format, meaning it is reading the complete file. That is what you see. Now, let me do the same thing for our Parquet file format. Same thing, first name, last name. I wanted to query it. So let me run the query. Look at the thing here. It is 15.4 kilobytes. Now, if you see here, it's not definitely the entire file format. It is only those two specific columns it has picked up. So here, now if I come back here, if I put select star, the complete thing, only then it is going to come to basically the file, the entire files, the entire columns scan basically. So if I do a star in my Parquet format, so you should be able to see like 138. Now if you see, it is only 111 KB, but there's going to be compression there. That's the reason you see 138. Now in your in our Parquet format, Whether you put a column, whether you put a star, doesn't have any impact because the complete file is read when it is in the external table. So it is reading the entire this thing. Why this is basically it boils down to simple. Avro formats are row based formats versus Parquet formats are columnar based. So that's the answer, which is going to be a good one. So I would say going back to the question, so if it is Parquet format, it's going to be a good choice. And the same thing applies to ORC file formats also. So even those are columnar. So whenever you are trying to have a external table, try to put it in Parquet or ORC format because you can read a particular column. So meaning you're not reading the entire table. So if you're reading the entire table, definitely there's going to be a network egress cost. So you can avoid that by using Parquet format and ORC format. So that's the video which I wanted to share today, folks. I guess you are super excited with that concept which we just saw now. So prefer to use Parquet or ORC. Hope the justification which I have given via the demonstration satisfies what I mentioned. So do let me know your comments and thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.